In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change line spacing in Affinity Designer if your text looks too cramped or too spread out. Adjusting line spacing, also called leading, is the quickest way to make it more readable and polished. Let's walk through it together so you can confidently control the space between your lines every time. First, open the Affinity Designer app on your computer. Once your document is up, click directly on the text you want to adjust. If the text isn't activating, make sure you're on the correct layer and that you're using a text tool rather than a shape or move tool. Now highlight the portion of text you want to affect. You can select a specific paragraph, a few lines, or the entire text object. The change you're about to make applies only to what's highlighted, which is perfect when you want different spacing for headings versus body copy. Next, go to the top of the screen and open the window menu. From there, choose text, and then select character. That opens the character panel if it isn't already visible. If you can already see the character panel docked in your workspace, you're good to go. No need to open another one. Inside the character panel, look for the section labeled Positioning and Transform. Within that section, you'll find an option called Leading Override. By default, Affinity uses an automatic leading value based on your font size. Leading Override lets you take manual control. Increase the value to give your lines more breathing room, or decrease it to bring lines closer together. You can type in an exact number for precision, or use the slider or arrows for small nudges. Subtle changes often make the biggest difference, so try moving in small increments and watch the text update live on the canvas. If you ever feel like you've gone too far, it's easy to return to the default behavior. Clear the leading override value or set it back to auto, and Affinity will revert to the font's natural spacing. Also remember that leading is measured in points just like font size, so a good starting point is something close to your font size, and then adjust up or down until it looks balanced. Once you're happy with the spacing, click away to deselect and review your layout as a whole. That's all there is to it. Open your document, select and highlight the text, go to Window, Text, Character, and adjust Leading Override under Positioning and Transform. With this simple adjustment, your designs will look cleaner, more readable, and more intentional.